I didn't get around to start recording this one, but I'll post up some before photos of this. It was a garden bed. I've now got to, obviously I pulled it down and rebuild. So I just started laying in. Let's get it on. That's the brickwork up on the outside. Just got to do inside block work and then brickwork on top. I just marked them out so I can cut blocks, let it out dry, so I know how it's going to go. And then 2/4 brick to go on top of them blocks. Right. Let's get cracking. Right, all inside done. Just got to do the capping bits now. Finish it off and then render all the inside. We're not going to make it back into a flower bed. It's going to be just hollow with pea shingle at the bottom. All done and complete. It's better than what it was. So don't forget to like, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao for now. Cheers, bye.